Today I'm gonna show you how you can get some free data for use during this period of time. So it's just a very simple step here. All you need to do is go to Play Store and download what we call my MTN APK. And then after downloading, just install that APK. So as it's downloading, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscription button over there in your under your videos, so that you'll be getting the latest tricks ever and always. So this is just a simple thing we are going to do. So yeah, just keep on watching this video. Well, we are done with the install. Now all you need to do is to click or you open that APK. Yeah, after opening, you register with your MTN number. You register with your MTN number. Yeah, after registering with your MTN number, of course, you'll be given free 500 MBs of data. Hope you're seeing it there, and they will send you a message. You load it. Saying that bonus loaded 500 MBs valid for 5 days. Hope you enjoy this video. God bless. Yeah, as well, you can check with that data and see if it is there. Just one flash, and then we check if it's there. I hope you've seen it's there, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can subscribe by going to YouTube under this video, and you just got Scott UG, and then you click subscribe. You'll be able to watch all my new videos, and God bless.